I have this game called Gravity Maze, and it's super fun. It's a marble logic game. So, how you play is, as you can see here, your goal is to create a maze for these little marbles, as you can see here, for them to like a marble run, basically. But you have to create a maze. And what they do is they give you these challenge cards in order to kind of increase the difficulty and the like brain teasing ways in which to make this happen. So this is basically your maze. These are your maze pieces. And they'll give you these cards and they'll tell you the level of this expert. This is an expert card. So this is going to be much more difficult than a beginner card, right? And it's going to show you how to add to the grid in order to make the marble move. So you really want your marble to kind of fall through these pieces and go through the maze. It's a little bit of skill, a little bit of luck, a little bit of math and science in order to determine how you make the marble run through the maze. And like it says, it's a gravity maze. So you have to learn how to, that's the science part of it, to get the pieces of the maze correct so that the marble works itself through. It's super fun. You can play it by yourself. You can play it with a group. It does say ages 8 to adult because it does take a little bit of critical thinking, and the cards you need to be able to read and understand what it's requiring you to do. But it's a lot of fun and again, just a great game to challenge your mind.